Hi guys, I am Rishabh Chatterjee and today we are testing out the Hero7 Black and we'll see how is the audio from the mic if we are using as a motovlogging setup. And I haven't attached any external mic, this is directly from the helmet to the mic. So I hope you are able to hear me. So yeah, let's see. It's at 4K 30 FPS and actually since this is the first patch, the recent update hasn't been done, that is the 4K 60 FPS Hypersmooth at 4K 60 FPS, that is not there. It does not support Hypersmooth at that resolution. Recently one update has been given which makes it support Hypersmooth, but I haven't been able to do it because for some reason when I'm trying to update the GoPro through the app, it says that not able to connect to Wi-Fi. So I tried it 2-3 times, switching off, on, everything, but nothing much happened. So I left it. And the second way to update the software is via computer. So you download the software on the computer and then put it on the SD card and the camera automatically recognizes it. But unfortunately my laptop, for some reason, after I downloaded the software, it crashed. So now I am not able to use my laptop and it's not connecting to Wi-Fi. Also prepare my laptop now because the software is having issues. It's showing the error, the blue screen of Windows. So I prepare that and now I have to also figure out this update because at 4K I wanted to do this motovlog in 4K 60, but unfortunately it does not support Hypersmooth. I'm not sure now also whether it's on or not Hypersmooth because I kept it on, I remember, but I'm not able to see exactly whether Hypersmooth is on or some other kind of just a normal stabilization. Well, I think you can judge that. And well, this is how the video looks. Super view, this is in super view, 4K 30 FPS. To buy this camera, links will be in the description. I have also made an unboxing video and few more sample videos in different video settings, so you can see that. And again we have stopped, so this is how the audio is when you have stopped, and what you heard before is when you are riding bike. So our idea of how it will be the sound, how will the sound quality be when you are motovlogging. Well, you can attach the external mic, but then you have to have that adapter brick which is almost half the size of GoPro. So I'm just checking out how is the quality now, because if the quality is good, and this time actually there are three microphones to improve the audio quality, so hopefully you'll be able to hear me. We are again moving. Sorry. So let's see whether you can hear me if you are riding little fast, because then we'll come to know how is the noise cancellation in wind. So now I'm riding at 40 km/h. clearly. Now we are reducing our speed, so audio quality is going to get better. Yeah, so well, that was a quick sample video. How is the audio quality gonna